Alright, all we do is take the attachment, pull the collar back on your extension on your pressure washer. Make sure you push this on fully. Make sure it can't come off, of course. I put it in about the middle setting. You can go all the way off or all the way on. I put it about middle. Turn your pressure washer on. Turn that bad boy on and go to town. Then we'll just refill it with a little bit more, and I'll just get all this soaked in really well. And I'm going to let it soak for maybe an hour, maybe even more. There's no sun out and it's almost evening, so I'm going to let this soak in for a very long time because it's been a couple of years since I've done this to this driveway. But this little guy here is the trick for spreading out any kind of cleaner or soap. You could even do pesticides with this, fertilizers, lawn food, you name it. You could use this thing for just about anything, and really impressed with it so far. So we'll do the rest of it and let it soak in.